If you could make art with only one art supply for the rest of your life, what would it be? It's a hard question, right? Well, my pick would be ink. Yes, this one little material can do so many things, from fill large opaque areas to small intricate details that makes your drawings come to life. I want to show you the magic of ink. I'm Jamie Smith, and welcome to my class, Power Postcard, Basics of Drawing in Pen and Ink. I'm an artist, and I also run an online community of artists called Thrive Art Studio. We support female and non-binary visual artists with a mission to make being an artist less lonely. I have used so many different mediums over the years, but nothing has quite stuck with me like using ink to create my whimsical floral landscapes. It took me years to find my artistic voice and style in my own artwork. I never expected to stumble upon my artistic voice by doodling in my journal with merely a black ballpoint pen. I love the challenge of using one material and one color to create my work. I have learned so much about this medium of pen and ink. I figured out how it works for me, and I can't wait to share this with you. This class is for anyone who is interested in what pen and ink can do. If you're a newbie creative, you will find this class easy to follow. Each technique builds on the next. This class is also great for established artists who just want to learn a new medium and find out what is unique about this and add it into your own practice. In this class, I will guide you through 4 techniques for using pen and ink. You will learn how to create studies, and then we will take all of these studies and bring them together for your final project, the Power Postcard. I created this class to teach you the basics of the medium. It'll give you foundational skills, and it will help you if you want to take my next class, Drawing Your Inner Landscape, Pen and Ink Level 2. I created both of these classes at the same time, so they flow really nicely from one to the other. I am very excited to show you what I have learned by using pen and ink over the years. This class is going to give you foundational skills, but it also can help you start finding your voice as an artist or add to the skills you already have in your practice. I believe art is important in this world, and I'm so excited to make some art together. So let's get started.